Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. Just a quick little second video for you today on this beautiful Tuesday. I just want to remind you that, hitting that like button is very important. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Share to your friends. It helps the algorithm, when you hit that like button and I get more views. Because what I really want to do is monetize the channel. I've been very honest with that since I started the channel. And what that'll allow me to do, 100% of what I make is going to go to giving local families. I'll go anywhere in my state within about 3 or 4 hours and give people in need HVAC services, whether it be a repair, an installation, maintenance, if they need it, if they just can't afford it. Some people can't afford an extra couple $100, and that's what I charge for it. But, if I can use, my monetization by YouTube to do that, I'm happy to do that, and it'll make me feel good to do that. So, when I started this channel, that was the main goal, not to get rich. A couple other guys that are big HVAC channels have told me that they are bragging about how they make their mortgage payment and stuff with their YouTube channel. I'm not about that at all. This is going to be solely to give back 100%. And I'll even show you guys, I'll show you my monetization, what I spend on people, because I don't expect this to get huge. I expect it to get big enough to help people. So please like, subscribe, and share. And, let's make this a good thing. Let's make it a positive thing, just like my video earlier where, Jenska reached out. Still got my little note here. But I was thinking about that. I'm like, there's so much greediness out there. Let's do something good for people, and let's give back. So thanks for watching this quick little video, guys. And I hope you guys are scrolling through, watching my other videos. If you haven't watched them all, I really implore you to do so. I got lots of shorts and stuff. Just funny. I quit doing the shorts because I think YouTube was kind of screwing me for doing that too much. But check out all my videos, even the early ones where I didn't even know what I was doing. I'm not a movie star. I don't know how to direct videos. I'm just a guy with a cell phone and a camera. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one.